Honorable Chief Guest, Principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. I am Priyansi Boy from class 1. I would like to speak a few words about Republic Day. It is our national festival. We celebrate it on 26th of January every year. On this day in 1950, our constitution came into force and our country became republic. It means that our country has no king or queen. The citizens have the right to elect the representative lead our country. Moreover, Constitution provides us fundamental rights like right to equality, right to freedom, right to against exploitation, etc. My India is a beautiful country where live holy Muslim, holy Hindus, and holy Christians. Let all pledge
Today.
today to the best country in the world. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.